Good day mga men. Salamat sa panibagong buhay at panibagong araw na naman na sumikat sa aking katawang lupa. Kaya dapat all goods lang men. Men, kamusta kayo? Ako all goods lang ako. Sana all goods lang din kayo. Dito nga pala kami ngayon sa sa may bypass road ng Barangay Pulo. Ayun, nakakidlat doon. Naulan na sa bayan. Papalipad sana kami ni Totoy kay shout out.
I can't fight this feeling any longer, and yet I'm still afraid to let it flow. What started out as friendship has grown stronger. I only wish I had the strength to let it show. And even as I wonder why I'm keeping you in sight, you're a candle in the window on a cold dark winter's night. And I'm getting closer than I ever thought I might, 'cause I can't fight this feeling